How to fix this phone number cannot be used for verification problem. So if you're facing a problem with this phone number cannot be used for verification, then there are few ways. So the first way is you need to try to change your SIM network or the phone number. So you need to open up your settings, scroll down, tap on network and internet. And here under the SIM card and mobile network, if you have two SIM, then you just need to simply switch your SIMs, or you need to try to change your SIM network, or you can also try to change your phone number. It's the same thing. And the second step you need to do is you need to simply scroll down and tap on apps under your settings. And once you're on the apps, you need to simply tap on see all apps and go for search, which is on the upper right, and search for Gmail. Once you search, you need to tap on storage and cache and then tap on clear cache. Once you've cleared your cache, now your problem might be fixed. And the other thing you need to do is you just need to go back and then you need to go with your browser and clear your browser cache. So if you're using Safari, you can go with Safari, or if you're using Chrome, then tap on Chrome, tap on storage and cache, and tap on clear cache. And even if this doesn't fix your problem, then you need to simply try using a VPN. So if you have the VPN, then you need to simply connect to a VPN network, and once you've connected, then you can go back to the verification page and then you can try the phone number and your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can fix this phone number cannot be used for verification problem. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.